What looks cheap ends up costing more. Okay, moment of truth, it's almost yours. Bought.
What is this? I mean, a piece of wood. I feel like I finally managed to buy the iPhone, much cheaper than in Mexico. What's cheap ends up expensive, and that became very clear to me in this video. I bought more than one iPhone on Mercado Libre where the price was way too low. It was too good to be true. What do you think happened? Obviously, I got scammed. So stay until the end because this video will serve as a guide so you don't get scammed. And also, so you know how these scammers operate. Plus, it's a good time because honestly, the video is really great. So don't go anywhere because I actually got the new iPhone at a discount and I even ended up in Japan. Crazy, right? Man, there's something weird. I mean, the cheap stuff.
Ends up being expensive, but let's take the risk for the video. I told him that if he changed the price, I would buy it. And he just sent me a message saying, it's done. Too good to be true. Ta, 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 ta. Moment of truth, it's almost yours.
We did it. He says it arrives between next Monday. That's fine. And it's one of two things. Either I just made the deal of a lifetime because it's about 18,000 pesos cheaper, or I just got scammed.
Be careful what you say, because it can come true. I just got scammed. It's always better to think positive mindset. But well, what could I expect? It was too good to be true. And the lesson, the moral I want to give you in this video is that cheap things always end up being expensive. But don't worry, that's what I'm here for. The one paying the consequences, sadly, is me. Still, I don't regret anything at all. Don't go anywhere because in the end, I did get the iPhone 17 Pro Max at a better price. And I even ended up partying in Japan and in Los Angeles. Can you imagine? But the question is how? I'm making this video so you don't get scammed like I did. So you can spot the patterns. And so we can have a good time together. By the way, are you already subscribed? Only 10% of the people watching the video are subscribed. So be part of that cool group. After a few days of waiting impatiently, I got the notification that it was about to arrive. And guess what? The iPhone 17 Pro Max arrived, which I bought at an excellent price. Or maybe not.
Oh man, I think I just got scammed. The good thing is that I'm documenting everything. But regardless of that, what a hassle! Look, here it is. Mercado Libre. This is for me. No, this doesn't weigh what an iPhone weighs. Not even close, not even close. This is disgusting. That's disgusting. Seriously, the worst part is that they're really exposing themselves. They're gonna get exposed so badly. What is this? I mean, a piece of wood. I feel like Santa Claus brought me coal.
Obviously, I immediately filed the corresponding complaint. The situation already seemed a bit strange to me, and I'm aware that this isn't the fault of the platform where I bought it. But what goes through the mind of these kinds of people who do these kinds of things? I think it's the worst. I think that's as low as it gets. Tell me, what do you think goes through their mind? And tell me, have you been scammed like I was in this video? But you already know that I don't give up.
Update. I just got an email. In fact, they're gonna give me my money back. I shouldn't worry about anything at all. It will be reflected in a few days. Honestly, Mercado Libre support is pretty good. Let's see, my account is intact. Very clean, both on the seller side, because sometimes I sell things there, and on the buyer side, since I also use the platform a lot. So, well, I guess that has a big influence. Honestly, I was really surprised by the customer support. Good job, Mercado Libre. I swear I don't even feel like trying anymore. But perseverance pays off. When I set my mind to something, I have to achieve it. So one way or another, I'm going to manage to get a cheaper iPhone because I like to set these challenges for myself, but it has to work, be in good condition, and be real. So let's see what I come up with now.
It doesn't matter if it's new, refurbished, or used. The challenge is to get an iPhone 17 Pro Max cheaper than in Napo. And currently, the cheapest one is the 256 GB model. The color doesn't matter, and it's at 30,999 pesos. Basically, 31,000 pesos. Anything cheaper than that is a win, but I want to save at least about 5,000 pesos. In another video, I already showed you how it's cheaper to go to Japan, book your flight, buy an iPhone, than to buy it in Mexico. Is that why I ended up in Japan again? Don't go away, let's find out. But I didn't want to give up. So before that, I made a couple more attempts. The first one also turned out to be a scam, so I canceled it before they even shipped it. And the second one was real. An iPhone 17 Pro Max with 1 TB for 23,000 Mexican pesos. In theory, it was in excellent condition, just open boxed. But just so you get an idea, in Mexico, that model costs 40,999 pesos. Basically 41,000 pesos. That's 18,000 pesos cheaper. Too good to be true. What made me angriest is that this iPhone was real and they planned to send it to me, but with a catch. Quick update. I'm not sure if this is a red flag.
Let me know in the comments before we reach the end. Tell me, because I do need to learn. Now, I'm not sure if this is a red flag, but they messaged me. Hello, my friend Andres. Thank you and congratulations on your purchase. In about 2 hours, he even misspelled it. I'll do that. Damn. Scammers use misspellings because many of them are real lowlifes. Most likely, I don't want to speak badly about them, but if you're a scammer, go to hell. What worries me is it asks, do you agree with the product and shipping time? I feel like they want to do it to leave a record in case they scam me. But let's just reply, okay, don't worry, I really appreciate it. Just a couple of questions. Could you send me a photo of the back of the box? I'm showing you this to help you avoid getting scammed. And if I haven't been scammed and this is real, it's an amazing find.
4 hours later.
Hey, well, the truth came out. Cheap things end up being expensive. Guess what? It's either a stolen phone or an unpaid one. Let me explain why. So this can help you when you want to buy a used phone. I went to Dr. Sim and checked if it was reported. And look, it's reported. Is it reported? I don't know if it's for theft.
I don't know if it's because they didn't pay for it, they got it and didn't pay. Anyway, they're gonna give me my money back in a few days. It's fine, I'd rather have my money somewhere else. It doesn't matter as long as it returns to me. Use this video as a guide, learn from it, and share with friends so they avoid these scams.
Alright, let's head to Japan since that's where I ended up. Thanks to you, I was invited to the Beijing Auto Show in China. So while I was already abroad, I took the chance to visit Japan, a place I love and feel passionate about. If you follow me, you know I visited a few months ago. I bought an iPhone, but that's for another video. The thing is, in Japan the iPhone is much cheaper, and not only that, they give you back 10% in taxes.
The only thing is that it's not so easy to find an iPhone in Japan. Hey, now that I'm in Japan, I want to take the opportunity to tell you how I stay connected. Holafly provides unlimited internet in hundreds of countries worldwide, letting you connect in over 200 destinations with unlimited data. All of this works through an eSIM, which is a built-in digital SIM. With it, you can connect in many destinations, whether it's in a specific country. And you can also find regional eSIMs on Holafly, in case you're going to be traveling in several countries within a region. For example, I'm in Japan right now, and the LASIA will work for me in all these countries as well. Also, there's Holafly Plans, which is the monthly subscription that covers more than 160 destinations. It comes in the light version and the unlimited version. It also includes the Always On feature, which gives you 1 backup gigabyte per month in more than 70 destinations. Getting your eSIM with Holafly is super easy, either through the app or on the website. Holafly is my best ally when I travel. Goes with me on all my trips and keeps me connected. If you want to stay connected, use the code NESHUDO. You'll get a special discount on your next Holafly eSIM. Now let's continue with this video. Hey! And we're already in Tokyo. Before going to the Apple Store, well, no, we're not going to an Apple Store. We're going to store because I'm going to show you how to get the iPhone at the discount. We're walking the streets of Tokyo. It's beautiful, but we prefer exploring it differently. So Anna Sophie brought me to the Yan neighborhood, which has survived wars, fires, earthquakes, and it's amazing. So it's a must stop in Tokyo if you want to explore the most local part. And now we're still looking for that discounted iPhone. I'm gonna buy several as well for friends and family who asked me. So I'm gonna show you how you can get one too. Let's go.
We're in Ginza, which is one of the most beautiful neighborhoods in Japan. It's also one of the neighborhoods with the most money, the wealthiest. This time, I'm looking for 3 iPhone 17 Pro Max in Japan. As a tourist, you have the right to tax back, which basically means they refund you the tax. They don't have it at this Apple store, so we'll have to go somewhere else. But let's check. Do you have tax back in the store? No. Tax-free for Apple. Tax-free. Okay, arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you. Look, something I've learned is to always be persistent.
We knew there's no tax-free. I'll get tax back for everyone for free.
How to buy. Thank you, iPhone. Thank you.
In Japan and in many other parts of the world, there's something called tax-free, where they give you back the tax. Thank you. What you buy is what you thank you.
Or rather, they give you a discount on your purchase. For what I was looking for, it's 10%, which is a good amount of money. But Apple knows that many tourists went there just to buy an iPhone because of... It's much cheaper, so they remove this. But what many people don't know is that in big tech chains, like Yodobashi or Big Camera, you can still get tax-free pricing. The problem is that specifically the iPhone 17 Pro Max has a lot of hype in Japan, so it's practically impossible to find it. And yes, you have to line up really early. A few weeks ago, I was in Japan and I bought an iPhone 17, which by the way, I'm going to give to you. Do you still have a chance to win it? So if you want to know how you can do it, go watch that video. I'm putting the card up now so you can check it out. And then come back to this video. But anyway, the thing is that the 17 is available in Japan. The one that's not available is the 17 Pro Max. And believe me, I went to a lot of stores and I just couldn't find it. We even bought an iPad that was much cheaper for us with this tax-free. And even if you bought it without the tax-free, it's still cheaper. I gave up and went to another Apple store in Tokyo. I didn't care about the tax. I just wanted an iPhone 17 Pro Max. Just so you get an idea, in Japan, you can get it for about this price, while in Mexico, you find it for this price. The difference is huge. It's a really, really big discount. Let's see. And after having been scammed, anything that's cheaper than the price in Mexico is excellent. But guess what happened? Sold out. The iPhone was also sold out in that store. So, well, it wasn't meant for me in Japan. If I had gotten it, don't go away, but I gave up, at least in Japan. I stopped searching for it. Obviously, I had to get some great nigiris. Wherever you go, they're excellent, like the drinks. Plus, just wandering around. Look who I ran into. Let me know in the comments if you know who they are. And I promise it wasn't planned. What were the odds? Sometimes life gets really crazy. After doing some shopping I had to do because I was heading back the next day, I went to have dinner with some good friends. Let me know if you know who they are. Then we went out to party a bit. And sadly, the day came when I had to go back, but not so sad because I had a layover in Los Angeles. So, goodbye Japan, I hope to see you soon. Because my flight was delayed, I used the time to order the iPhone, basically buy it. After landing in Los Angeles, I took a taxi, picked it up, and returned. I did it. I finally bought the iPhone for much less than in Mexico.
Check it out. How much did it cost me?
I insist after being scammed. This is a bargain, honestly, and I bought 2 iPhones, but now there's another problem. Hey, so quick stop in LA.
In Los Angeles. I'm literally running. I have just enough time, but I made it because I don't want to miss my flight, and I've already checked in. It's always good to visit LA, even if only for a few minutes or hours. Let's go.
Hey, well, we did it. We already have the iPhones. We made it. And honestly, I almost missed my flight.
But I was really lucky. I was able to get on the plane and I achieved the goal of this video, which was to buy an iPhone 17 Pro Max cheaper than in Mexico. But more than that, I didn't get scammed. But, well, it can't be an Ashudo video if I don't do the unboxing. So let's go back to CDMX, let's go back to the studio, and let's unbox the new iPhone 17 Pro Max.
I can't believe it. I accomplished the goal of this video. You have no idea how exhausted I am, but we did it. Here we have the iPhones. And he welcomed me. Nalita, poor Nalita, she just had surgery because they found a tumor. And fortunately, the operation went well for her. We're waiting for the results, but poor Nalita is carrying her gift. Oh God, you really have no idea how exhausted I am. I've been traveling for more than 24 hours. But anyway, I've arrived. Come on, let's send good vibes to Nala. If you're longtime subscribers of this channel, you know she's part of the story, how they're growing up. In the end, we all grow, you know? But seeing it really hits, especially since Nala has been iconic on this channel for years. Sending lots of good energy to Nalita, hoping for many more years ahead, and to little Nali, may she continue being part of this channel. Let me know if you already know Nala, and if you haven't subscribed yet, I want to take this opportunity to invite you to subscribe so you don't miss more videos like this one. But anyway, now I actually put it in my jacket, and here they are. I bought the new iPhone 17 Pro Max, and well, both of the new iPhones. This one was on order. It's 256 GB, and I actually brought it for a friend. So we're not going to open that one, but this one is for me because I have the regular version, the Pro, and I wanted the Pro Max since I'm going to use the regular Pro to record things.
So I think the lesson of this video is that cheap things end up being expensive, really expensive. We've already had a lot of bad experiences. So it's better to play it safe and take advantage of this much better option. No reports of theft, no iCloud locks, 100% unlocked, and by the way, it works with my network. With Revo, what are you waiting for to switch to Revo? I'll leave more information down below. It works in Mexico and we have fair plans, fair prices, full speed, everything. This is my company together with Jimmy D. Let's put it to the test. Subscribers already know what's in the box. Let's unbox it quickly and get to the point. It's the 1 terabyte version in blue, which honestly is my favorite color. Wow, what a color. What a color. I love it. Let's take off the sticker. Let's turn it on for the first time. They scammed me. I got scammed, man. But well, since you already follow me, you know that if you persevere, you succeed, right? I always persevere and I've achieved my goal. We have the cable, but nothing else. So I'll set up the iPhone. It's great that you're watching this video. Take the opportunity to share it with your friends, family, grandparents, uncles, cousins, girlfriend, boyfriend, with everyone, so they don't fall for it. It's better to pay a little less and stay safe. At least that's what I think after these experiences.
A few days have passed. I'm really sick with the flu, but the important thing is that the goal was achieved. The mission was accomplished. Be very careful. That's the lesson I want to leave you with. And we also already got Nala's results. Unfortunately, it was a malignant tumor. But the good news is they removed it and it was encapsulated. So nothing like that should show up again. And that's why Nala is wearing the cone of shame. Oh God, I feel so bad. Anyway, the important thing is that we managed to buy a cheaper iPhone. And be careful with posts on Mercado Libre, Amazon, Facebook, because it could be a scam. And if they give you the product, it could be stolen or it could come blocked. So be very careful. Pay close attention. Your friend Andres Neshudo told you this. If you haven't subscribed yet, I want to invite you to subscribe. Cooler videos are coming, plus the World Cup is near. What do you think about these videos? See you in my next one. Big hug. Goodbye, everyone.